What's Weibo Android here? So, first of all, thank you all for your amazing feedback on my latest video. Your support and encouragement have given me the confidence to keep moving forward with my work. So from now, my videos might be a little longer to keep you guys updated with every major news out there regarding Huawei and other mobile brands. Plus, I will start reviewing smartphones from now. Having said that, we all know that Apple recently unveiled the Apple Vision Pro headset to the market, and that headset is now the next big thing in the virtual reality segment. Every other company will now doing the same because we know that Apple and Huawei are the both companies which are basically the trend setter of the market. However, Huawei started working on the same headset, but Huawei wants to solve the biggest problem regarding the Vision Pro headset, and that is its price. We all know that the Apple Vision Pro headset is way expensive. It costs you around $3,500 which is far away from a lot of people's budget. But don't worry, as Huawei's latest report says that Huawei is now planning to launch a brand new Vision headset, giving a tough fight to Apple in the virtual reality race. Eventually, the Chinese tech giant is looking into every segment while focusing on the smartphone business. The former marketing director of the Meizu Li Nan recently shared a post on Weibo and shed some light on the alleged Apple and Huawei Vision headset that could launch later this year. The Chinese firm is likely to name it Vision Pro. Notably, Huawei trademarked this name in China in 2019. The name also covers multiple products like smart TVs and glasses. So Apple might switch to a new name when launching its VR headset device in China because they simply can't launch the device with the same Vision Pro name in China. But the thing is, Huawei's Vision Pro headset will be available in the half price of the Apple's Vision Pro, which will be the key thing for the headset. It will have all the other features that are currently available in the Vision Pro, so it will be cheaper and most effective headset from Huawei. So yeah, that is pretty much it. What do you think about it? And can Huawei also give a tough competition to Apple when it comes to the Vision Pro headset? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.